For me, the key takeaway from this meeting would be the importance of good frontline, regular wound cleansing. And also what I've learned from listening to the experts from Malaysia, from India, and from Spain is the advances not only in the thought of wound cleansing, but also in what we have available now to provide such proximate care. What do you think, Maureen?
Well, I think we've shown everyone in India and Malaysia and other countries that by watching a webinar like this today, you can improve your knowledge so that you're getting it right for yourselves and getting it right for your patients. Principles of wound care are very important, and getting those principles correct from the very beginning are also very important. And what you must remember is by doing that, you're going to reduce your costs and reduce the burden to your healthcare and also for the patients.
My biggest takeaway is obviously the engagement around the world, and I'm just seeing an alignment as well, that everybody is pushing for the cleansing and the importance of that crucial step to be made in a good sense, and that is really important to be able to actually clean and to heal the wounds. So for me, that is the major takeaway, this alignment, and that everybody agrees that this is really crucial for the end result.
Firstly, I would like to say that it was an interesting session today, and wound care is ever evolving, and there has never been a greater concern about the importance of debridement and cleaning of a wound so that it continues its natural healing pathway. And from today's experts session, we could learn the different interventions done globally to ensure that the better patient outcome is achieved by the intervention and the quality of life back to the patient.
Very impressed with the consistent message that actually how important it is to use the hypochloric acid and hydrocyn, and how well it actually is functioning in all parts of the world. And I think that is something that we need to explore further and see how we really can develop that, because that's really the takeaway message, the consistency and how impressed, at least I am, that the product actually can perform in all these different patients around the world.
Well, I think that we've learned some very basic techniques to complex techniques, and the role of keeping a wound clean and healthy and the importance of that for patients. It improves, outcomes, it improves patient satisfaction, it reduces a lot of the malodor and a lot of the discomfort that comes with chronic and acute wounds. So those are all key factors in every treatment episode that you have with your patients.
And it's the webinar underscores new thoughts from experts, but also reinforces the key messages. And of course, the need to rewatch this is to allow us to continuously develop our practice, because our practice reflects on our patient outcomes.
And it's with collaboration and symposia and webinars like this that we're all learning from one another.